By the PSR and Occam's razor, there is one simplest answer to existence. In the absence of the PSR and Occam's razor, there are infinite non-simplest answers, i.e. false answers. How would reality calculate the non-simplest answer without first calculating the simplest answer? Having calculated the simplest answer, why would it then dismiss it? What would reality's reason be for dismissing the simplest answer? No such reason is possible or conceivable. How would reality go about calculating the non-simplest answer, given that there are infinite of them? It is literally impossible for reality to calculate and implement anything other than the simplest answer. That is 100% guaranteed, and you are utterly irrational and illogical if you contend otherwise. It's not a case of everyone being right. It's a case of everyone being wrong except those that accept the one right answer. Integral theory rejects this one right answer, hence it is simply the integral lie. It's extraordinary how deluded the Wilburites are. Wilbur is the worst of the lot. How can anyone so wrong be so convinced he is right? The methods. Lord Polonius in Shakespeare's Hamlet said, "Though this be madness, yet there is method in it." It's all about the method. If you choose the wrong method, you get the wrong answers. Humanity has 4 basic methods available to it. 1. The sensory method of science, observe then hypothesize, to explain the observations. This method is characterized as objective, although it is in fact highly interpretive and only as good as the paradigm used to frame the interpretations. 2. The feeling method, feel and then hypothesize, to explain the feelings. This is extremely subjective. This is the method used by most people. It's the basis of religion. 3. The mystical intuitive method, someone has some vision, epiphany, profound experience, or radical change of mental state, enlightenment, and all similar terms. The idea is to experience then hypothesize, to explain the mystical vision. This is extremely subjective. This is the method used by New Agers and Eastern mystics. 4. The thinking method of mathematics, work things out via rational, logical and analytic deduction, then hypothesize, to explain what it all amounts to. This is the maximum degree of objectivity that can be attained, since it has no connection at all to the human condition, which is defined by sense perceptions, feelings, and mystical intuitions. These are 4 totally different methods, with totally different hypotheses and totally different answers. You cannot say, as the integralists say, everyone is right. Some of these methods are grotesquely wrong, and only one is actually right: thinking. Path-breaking knowledge. Ontological mathematics is the ultimate path-breaking knowledge, the ultimate paradigm shift. It ushers in the final intellectual revolution. It is the true integral, the true subject that integrates all knowledge. Wilbur's integral theory is just a variant of Buddhism. It doesn't explain anything, and is totally worthless. Shallow integral. Never forget what Nietzsche said: mystical explanations are thought to be deep, the truth is that they are not even shallow. By the same token, integral theory explanations are thought deep by their proponents, the truth is that they are not even shallow. Ken Wilber ought to talk about the fallacy of the deep and shallow. Deep explanations are always shallow, and simple, shallow explanations are in fact the most profound of them all. This is an Occam's razor reality. Get used to it. Get real.